If you're looking for a Big Bear Lake home for sale that is one level, classic mountain detailed, you are going to love this property. Behind me is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, 816 square feet, completely remodeled, move-in ready, very affordable pricing. Come on, let's take a look. One of the first things you'll notice as you enter this home for sale in Big Bear Lake, California, is the open concept and the beauty of these amazing real wood tongue and groove woodwork ceilings paired with, look at this floor, even as you walk in. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous and it shines just so beautifully. You can automatically, the first thing you see is that fantastic brick fireplace. It is wood burning. But wait, look at this kitchen and this dining area. I'm not sure. What should we explore first? They say that the kitchen's the heart of the home, so let's take a first good look at the kitchen. So let's take a closer look at this kitchen. First of all, I love this live edge countertop, this breakfast bar. Take a look at the detail work to it. Isn't that beautiful? So of course, even though we've got real dining space, which is adjacent here to the kitchen, you also have this nice little breakfast bar area. And then look at all of this counter space. Also, it's not live edge, but it is that wood detail that looks just so fantastic. Everything is stainless. Oh, just pristine and waiting and ready to go. We've got a full bank of cabinets down below, including pull-out drawers. And then, of course, we have our uppers. Let's take a look at these. So these are modern, newer cabinets. Nice, good quality, crafted well. Nice window over the kitchen sink area. It's looking towards the side of the house next door. Maybe not the best view for when you're doing dishes, but still you're not looking into somebody else's home, which is rather nice. Let's take a look at this stove that was trying to pair with me. Oh yeah, there is the Smart Things logo right there. Let's take a peek. Oh, totally clean inside, ready to go. Obviously, these appliances have been lightly used, very well taken care of. 4 burners plus a central griddle. And then above it, we have the matching Smart Things microwave as well. This kitchen refrigerator, I kind of like it because even though it looks big, it blends in. It doesn't overhang into the dining area at all. Let's take a look at the refrigerator. What do we have? We have another Samsung. And yes, of course, the appliances come with the property. That's part of being a move-in ready property, is being able to actually move in and not have to worry about anything. Now we're taking a look at this dining area. Easily seats 4, and it's kind of set up like a little pop-out. Look at the windows. Look at the lighting. Isn't that fantastic? And of course, we have the high ceiling in here as well. And you're looking out onto that covered front deck, that front entry porch. Take a look at how blue the sky is. It's gorgeous today. Back towards the kitchen into the main living area. It's just cozy and big enough for you to have a nice size sofa, table, lamp. I would put, if it was me, I would have a chair like right here and maybe move the TV a little bit further over there to open up the space a bit more, but it works. What I really like is this beautiful brick fireplace. Isn't that pretty? Look at the detail work on how they laid the brick for that. It is a wood burning fireplace. It does have what we call a gas assist, which means that there's a gas line inside the fireplace to help you light your logs on fire, so you can have a nice fire on those chilly spring evenings or going into the fall. I wanted to show you just again the volume here in the great room. For 816 square feet, I think that this is a great beginning because it shows that, yes, the flow is open, but every single area has a purpose. You're not going to spill over into another area and kind of go, well, I'm not sure what to do here. Now, we're going to go back that way where there's 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, the laundry area, and bonus, I can't wait for you to see the cutest little backyard. You're going to love it. But let's take a look at the rest of the house first, shall we? So here in the hallway, to the left, we have your laundry hookups. It's for a stackable and it's fully ready to go. Bedroom number 1. How cute is this? I believe that that is I think it's a queen size bed. If not, it's an oversized full, but I think it's a queen. Take a look at the wood detailing on this wall. You know, a lot of people, when they're looking at a mountain home, they say, oh, I want that mountain feeling, but I don't want to feel closed in. This house does it because it has just enough of the wood detailing mixed in with the smooth drywall walls. You feel like you're contemporary, a little bit modern, but also you are definitely in the mountain, enjoying the mountain ambiance here. Hello, me in the mirror. I wanted to take a look at the closet. Oh, it's a good sized closet. I mean, it's not a walk-in, but it's definitely got adequate space. That's going to wrap us up with bedroom number 1. Let's go across the hallway and take a look at the bathroom. It is a full bath, very light, very bright, pedestal sink with the tub and shower combination. Very clean. And because it's a one piece, it's very easy to keep clean. You're not going to be fighting with tile and grout and all the rest of that. Very easy, super easy. And just a nice, great updated sink and vanity area here. Good sized bathroom. And then we have a storage closet here. Great for your cleaning supplies, linens, etc., and so forth. We'll take a look at bedroom number 2. Now, what's interesting, before we take a look at bedroom number 2, for some reason, I think that this room is bigger than this room. And I think it's an optical illusion. I haven't measured anything, obviously. I think it's because there's a door back there that goes to the yard. But I think that of the 2 bedrooms, this would definitely be, I would think of this one as the primary bedroom, and this one would be your overflow right here. But then again, it's not going to be my house. It's going to be your house. So let me know, what do you think? Which bedroom looks bigger to you? The cool thing in here is that once again, we've got the accent wall with the wood detail work. And for this one, the closet's on this side. Let's take a peek. Probably the same as the other one. Yeah, pretty much the same size as the other closet. But still, good storage space. This one has a good sized bunk bed in it and of course a chest of drawers. So you know that it's still going to be good space. And once again, these beautiful floors are throughout the entire house. So not only are they gorgeous, but also that makes everything nice and easy to clean, and you're not going to trip over anything. It's just nice and evenly laid out. All right, let's go through that door. And as promised, we're going to take a look at the backyard space. I think this is the cutest little backyard. And it is a little backyard, but it is completely level in back. It's fully fenced. And it has this seating area with this amazing, I believe it's a sugar pine. Look at the trees here. If you like trees and you like the mountains, This is a beautiful example of what we have every single day that we get to live with. It's amazing. So this is, I believe, fake turf. It might be astroturf, but it's nice and level, easy to manicure, easy to maintain. There's a side gate here that goes between the two homes, ours and the neighbors next door. There's a full lighting system here, as well as some security lighting. And even though it's a relatively small lot, all the lots in this neighborhood pretty much are, you've got total privacy. Looks like they're working on the house next door. That's nice. But everything else is just peaceful and well maintained and oh so cute. Here we are taking another look at the backyard. I wanted to paste it out so you could get an idea as to how much space there really is back here. And of course, the little side yard there. That one has the gate that's a little bit closer to the driveway, but fully accessible. Can't really see the roof, but it's a composition shingle roof and it's got one layer on it. I believe it's newer. I would have to double check that for you if you're interested, but all in very good space, even for the fire protection, doing the soffits correctly, making sure that there's plenty of defensible space. This has been very carefully thought out. Imagine sitting here, having some morning coffee or reading a book, maybe doing a little bit of barbecuing. Very cool space. All right, I'll meet you back inside. So let's talk about location for a moment. We are located here in the city limits of Big Bear Lake. Interestingly enough, if you look at the map, Big Bear Lake is actually the city. Big Bear City is unincorporated and governed by San Bernardino County. Kind of a little mountain quirk there. But anyway, we are within the city limits for Big Bear Lake. Very close by is the Boulder Bay area, just kind of down that away just a little bit, which has its own little marina and park area, lots of cute little shops and restaurants. We're also within striking distance to amenities and attractions like the Alpine Slide. We are also within, I would say, maybe 15 minutes of the ski slopes, and the lake is literally just a little bit that away. So you're in the perfect location right here to have a nice little vacation home, or maybe you want to try Big Bear on for size first. So you kind of want something smallish for a season or two. This is a great opportunity because, again, it has what we really want to see in a four-season area. Think about it with snow and ice, because we do get winter. Having that level parking for multiple cars and only a couple stairs up to this beautiful covered front deck area is going to give you a lot of versatility going throughout the many seasons that make up how wonderful it is to live here in Big Bear. Thanks again for joining me on our tour of this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home located in Big Bear Lake, California. It is 816 square feet, again, on a very flat, livable used lot. It has been renovated, it is move-in ready, and it does come with a couple of the basic furnishings as you've seen it. So really, all you have to do is bring your personals and start living your Big Bear Lake dream. If you have any questions about this home or any others within the Big Bear area, I'm your gal. In fact, if you're looking to buy a home anywhere from Big Bear to Green Valley Lake to Running Springs to Lake Arrowhead to Twin Peaks to Crestline, or all points in between, peak to peak on the mountain, I'm definitely your gal. I've been in real estate up here on the mountain full-time for over 30 years. I know the area like the back of my hand, and I would be more than happy to answer any questions you have about what it's like to live here, either full-time like I do, or part-time like so many of my friends and family do. Oh, by the way, if you are thinking about selling your home on the mountain, we should probably have a chat. I have sold over 1,000 properties on this mountain during my career. I pretty much think I know what I'm doing, and I would love to have the opportunity to speak with you about your options in our real estate marketplace. I think that's about it. I don't think that there's anything else about the house that I wanted to bring to your attention. Oh, except this. Yes. Okay. We do have central heat, which is to be expected to help augment that lovely fireplace in the living area. Utilities here are completely normal. There's nothing strange or different about it. So we have regular water, regular gas service, and of course, we are on sewer, not septic. So basically, you have a home that runs just like any other property and it's ready for you to enjoy. So, um, now I think we're done with this particular property tour. And I'm seeing my phone still beeping. It wants to pair up with these really great appliances. I'm Teresa Grant, your local realtor. That's bye for now.